Introducing the BioGeometry website. There will be a link in the description. BioGeometry was founded by Egyptian architect and scientist Dr. Ibrahim Karim. BioGeometry is really a science of the subtle energies surrounding and affecting us every day, energies including harmful wireless transmissions. BioGeometry products are designed to balance, clear, and harmonize harmful energy, improving your overall health and well-being. And BioGeometry is backed by hard science demonstrated in the scientific experiments and studies conducted by Dr. Karim. You can get personal energy balancing from this biosignatures pendant. For example, the bronze pendant looks much better in real life than it does on the website. In real life, it's gold tone and very shiny. It also included this little carrying pouch, a clearing tray, instructions, and information about the pendant, the clearing tray, and BioGeometry. The clearing tray also looks better in real life. It's not made of wood, and cameras can't focus on it for some reason, so there's not a very good picture of it. The pendant does not include a chain, but any chain 3mm or smaller will fit fine. The chain in the picture is 3mm, 18 karat gold with a 20-inch average length chain. There will be a link in the description for the chain. They also have stuff for protecting your home, car, and more. Electromagnetic frequency protection. So that's here. Just some stuff that they have. And then this is home protection, as I just was mentioning a moment ago. BioGeometry products are actually popular and they sell out all the time. But I noticed when they sell out of something, it's usually in stock again within a few weeks. Payments are made with PayPal, and if you don't normally use PayPal, that's okay. You don't need an account. You can check out as a guest. The orders are usually done fast, and although I didn't receive a tracking number like I do with Amazon, most BioGeometry orders are delivered very fast. In closing, I just want to mention Dr. Ibrahim Karim and Dr. Robert Gilbert are the world's two leading experts teaching sacred geometry, and Dr. Karim is by far the leading expert in ancient Egypt and the pyramids. And those aren't mysteries to us. We know the truths related to everything from how the pyramids were built to their true purpose. And if you follow Dr. Karim or Dr. Gilbert or myself with spiritual science, we get into the mysteries of the pyramids, and we will be getting into stuff like that more moving forward. Right now I'm working on a major presentation coming up later this month for St. John's Day that I'm going to present, and I hope you found this presentation on the BioGeometry website interesting and helpful. Take care.